guys.
Hi guys. So this is me, Love PHL to UK, from Philippines to UK with love.
And I always hit my head a lot. I always hit my head.
Did I? No, so in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do an unboxing video. So we're gonna unbox every single item that we have. Are you gonna get for your birthday? What is it that we're gonna unbox? It's a
PC.
oh, our computer. Okay,
Yeah.
for gaming. Yeah, for you for your birthday. Yeah. So 9. Oh my goodness, 9
9
boxes.
boxes, but there'll be more coming.
Not including the 3 big boxes in the box. Okay, in the box, in the back. Okay, because
We're just shit.
that's a balikbayan box.
Yeah, we're just Mommy's giving these 3.
Okay.
Everything that is in here, Mommy's giving away.
So this one, what have we got in here?
That's just a lot.
Oh,
That's so
it
bad.
says cables and adapters.
Yep.
It's just a cable and adapter. It's to connect the graphics processor and the monitor. Okay. And the next one, it says fan splitter converter. It's a fan splitter converter, guys. Of course, it's not gonna zoom in as clear because my phone is not brilliant in zooming or whatever.
Oh.
The next one, next item, what you got? It's a it's a memory that lights up. Okay, a memory that lights up.
And there's more. There's other things that lights up in this package.
And by the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video.
Yeah, this is not.
This is all bought by our great sponsor, Daddy.
Yep, guys.
Very, very generous sponsor,
Daddy's
Daddy.
like the video. He's just telling us what is the things, what it's called.
He's coaching mommy, huh? How do you say it? Yeah. Sorry, because I'm not a pro in these things. So
But she
the next item is.
Oh, what is this? And I love this. I love this.
The next item is
I'm
a
actually
Ryzen
gonna
AMD.
And-
It's a thread processor, 6-core 12 thread processor. Whatever is that, but that says. Yeah. P14 silent.
Yeah, I'll open the other box.
It's a fan. And then next box, please. There you go, guys.
So we're opening it. It's just pull. Of course,
Bubble wrap.
Of course, there's another one I'm going to step on.
Then on this box is 3 of this F12 PC. I think it's another fan again.
Which one? Wow.
It's another fan again. So
After-
1, 2,
3.
and 3. So the other one, the first one was the P14, which is a bit bigger, and the other 3 was like the F12. It's all just fans. I hope I'm right. Okay.
This is a hard drive.
Oh, hard drive. You have to show it to them a bit closer, baby, so they can see it.
It's a hard
What
drive.
does it say? What does it say?
Boxes.
So it's a hard drive, Rocket NMV PC1E, whatever is that, M.2. Yeah, like that. So that's a hard drive, okay? EVGA power supply.
Yeah, but we need to
It's
cut
a
the
power
back.
supply.
We need to cut the back.
Okay.
It's floating.
Mm-hmm.
Floating.
Here. It's heavy, baby.
Oh, it's just heavy.
Try it. Oh, it's heavy.
It's
Don't put it. Okay.
We're going to build it up. We're going to build it up.
So, 500 watts
Yep.
power supply.
Yeah,
Because it's so heavy.
it's slipping.
So,
it was
Next box is this one. So this one is the motherboard TUF Gaming B450 Plus ASUS.
We
Okay.
already said that.
So that's how it looks like in the back. Okay. It's a motherboard.
You already said that, Mama.
On the next item.
Why didn't you say that?
What's the next
You cannot
item?
even tell what that is. That's just
Oh, it's just a light strip. Yeah. This one is a light strip.
And
It says-
and more fans.
Wow, LED light strip.
Ouch.
Yeah. Just a light strip. Okay.
This one's just fans.
Is it a fan again?
Mhm. This is
Yeah.
like a Jones case.
Yeah. It looks like. No, it says display port. Output display port. It's an output display port.
I'm going to open this.
Okay, it's the AMD Radeon 5700XT or 5700 XT.
I'm going to open
Okay,
it.
so that's how it looks like.
We definitely need to lift this out. Wow! There's sides
Yeah,
on
so we can show them, Anna.
Yep.
That's how it looks like. Wait, we have to do it sideways. Can you go on that side, baby? Because there's a glass and I don't want to break it. There's full glass in this side, baby.
You can lift this up.
Just wait. I'm trying to gently remove the plastic from the bottom so they can see it. Oh. Wow, look at that.
That's just trying. What is this?
How can I show that? Wait, it's so heavy to show.
That's not even That's not even glass.
This is the glass bit, baby. Wait, huh? Oh yeah, I can hold it from here. So, there.
Oh.
There,
I
whatever
get
is
it.
that.
There's
Whatever
a
is that.
hole. I get
That.
it. There's a hole.
Yeah,
Oh,
on the
there's.
back.
Okay. I get it.
It's just like an empty thing.
I get it. There's glass on
There's
the
the
back.
glass.
So why do you
Okay.
need the glass on it?
There.
But the
Nice.
this side you can't see in it. The instructions are right underneath it.
Baby.
There's the instructions.
There.
Here's the instructions. Whatever we
Yes.
open this.
So it's an Acer 27-inch FHD LED
Wow. There's a lot of pages on this.
gaming monitor. KG1 series. Very sleek box. It's not really.
Oh.
Oh, we cannot just lift it immediately because. So of course there's cords,
And of course there's
There.
foam.
plugs, whatever. Another one.
One, two.
There's 3. And what is this?
That's a wow. Another instruction.
Yeah.
There's 2 instructions.
No, that's for the monitor. That one. Is the instruction. And we have to do it sideways, baby. Wait, there's another one. And another one.
And a key.
I think this is the HDMI plug, isn't it? HDMI plug. Okay. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cords. I don't know. Plugs. V, isn't it?
And I love it because the bottom is red. That's my favorite color.
Okay.
I hope it's
So wait. Yeah. Okay. So we pull it out. Pull it out, baby.
Okay.
Pull it out, baby.
It's in the foam.
Yes. So keep it safe. Because it's a glass, remember?
Yes, the glass is the front. Ready?
Alright.
Okay, then top of the lid. Okay. O M
G.
G.
Wow, look at that. It looking so sleek.
That's the back. Really?
That's the
Oh.
front.
Oh.
Okay. So I think I'm just gonna show it to them like this way. So that's it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. It looks nice.
Come on. That's the gaming monitor.
So that's a gaming monitor and
So
then
now
I think the stand is already in the back or something.
the sun.
Oh no. No. I cannot see any stand in the bottom.
I know, but now we're going to build it.
I cannot see any stand in the stand. Oh, okay. So it's on the bottom of it. In the bottom of it. So if we put the TV first. TV. Excuse Excuse me guys, for my English, because my English is very limited. It's limited edition, so that on the bottom, this is the stand for the TV. So let me get it. Just that's the stand. So nice and sleek. It's red.
It's not going to be on video, but we're building it. It's moving. It's not going to be on video. It's not going to be on video.
And that's it, guys. That's all for the unboxing.
Yeah, but
That's it.
But you'll not see us building up this time.
Yeah, because mommy doesn't know how to build, of course.
Yeah, in my video.
So that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. And if you like this video, what would you do?
Subscribe and hit the bell.
Yeah, and
Yep.
Sam also has a channel.
Yep. It's
Yeah,
like
but mommy
Elite
still...
with a Z.
Some gamings with a Z, okay? So we're still working on it.
Yep.
Not sure when I'm gonna be able to think that, but he has like I think 3 videos already on it.
3 or 4.
Three or four, yeah, 3 or 4 videos all about just gamings.
Yeah,
Okay,
just gaming.
so that's why this is what he's gonna have, a gaming PC, so he can play more games.
Yeah.
Bye guys. In the box. Who's in the box? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what they love to do, don't they? That's what you just love to do, be inside the box.
That's so many.
Yeah. So you buy everything for them, but they would still all play on the box. The boxes. So that's how it looks like. That's how it looks like. The motherboard.
It's like 5 times faster than the SSD.
Is it kind of like a memory card, something like that?
A terabyte. Terabyte of data on that.
But if you think it on the phone, it's like a memory card.
No, it's well, like a memory card, but the phone's slightly different.
I'm confused.
Well,
If the other one that you put was memory, and that's
No, it's
memory.
not. Maybe they're on storage.
Oh, storage. And that's memory. Okay. Oh, yay! So this keyboard and mouse, they're still gonna change it into a new one. But this is the new one. And wow, gaming PC for Sam. Happy baby? Wow. Looking cool. It's so cool, baby. It's just so cool. Almost like a new one.
That's the top one.
Then low fan as well. So this light and this, the fan.
I have a power adapter
Okay.
and the controller, the page of the sounds.
Isn't that so cool?
I'm pressing for all that the wind blown away like so. Like things like that, but if you press something.
Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday, Sam!
Thank you.
Birthday boy is very busy. Playing stuff on your computer. Gaming PC.